All right, I said I was going to make more of these videos. This is going to be like videos, things your parents didn't tell you. I'm trying to think of a name of what I could call it, but I don't know. Y'all help me figure that out. Okay, let's say you were frying some fish or you're frying some shrimp or French fries and you got a pot full of grease. So that's scalded hot grease or whatever you call it, super hot. You're not really sure what to do with it. Let me give you an idea. Hot grease. What cuts grease? Whatever you do, do not breathe this. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of it. Dawn. See the reaction? See those stings? Do not breathe that. Or try not to. Pour as much as you want in there. I normally pour in like that until it stops bubbling up. See how it's going down a little bit? That's your Dawn. Eat the grease. Pretty cool trick. All right, want to hear something else? Watch this. They said never put water in grease. Water, grease. See it boil over? See it goes down? Try not to breathe those fumes. It's so hot that the handles are hot. I'm pouring cold water in there. This ain't gonna hurt your drains either, so check it out. I'm putting my hand in it. See, it's cooled down now. Oh, look at all that. Nothing else in there. See that stuff at the bottom? Watch this. I'm trying to do this. Hold the phone and wash it at the same time. All right. Gone. There's a little bit on the edge. Right there. That went straight down the drain. I don't know if we have some environmentalists or something like that that'll probably go against that. Does not hurt the drains. Drains are fine. Drains are cold. No drips. No nothing. It just goes straight up and out. And you're left with a clean pot. And you're not having to figure out what to do with all that grease. I'm gonna put that in the dishwasher. That's what I'm gonna do with it now. But hey, be safe with it. It's a hot pot. Don't pour water straight into it. Pour your Dawn in there first. Let it bubble up really good. It's gonna help cool it down. It's gonna cut the grease. And then put your cold water in there. Let the bubbles subside down a little bit. You notice how I could touch the pot. It's not hot and just goes right down the drain. All right, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Peace.